Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super simple breakfast, overnight oats with protein. So these are just like regular overnight oats, except they have tons of protein in them. And they're so easy to make, it only takes 3 ingredients. I like to use a pre-made protein shake, but you could also use a powdered protein shake and just mix in your milk. I prefer the vanilla Atkins shakes just because they're super creamy and delicious and they have no weird aftertaste. But you can use any kind of protein shake that you want. Then I'm also gonna show you guys how to make 2 of my favorite bowls. So part of the fun of overnight oats is all the little toppings that you can add to them. We're gonna do my tropical bowl, which I have right here. And then we're also gonna do my raspberry seed bowl. So I change it up just depending on what I have in my pantry and what fruits are in season. So let's get started. First, you're gonna add 1 cup of your preferred protein shake. Then you're gonna add 1 cup of rolled oats. Next, you'll add a tablespoon of chia seeds. Give everything a good stir and then put in the fridge overnight. To make our tropical bowl, you're going to add some Scandinavian yogurt or Greek yogurt, cubed fresh mangoes, diced kiwi, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and shredded coconut. Then, to make our raspberry seed bowl, we're going to drizzle on some manuka honey. And then we're going to drizzle some RX peanut butter. I like to use RX peanut butter because it's made with egg whites and has extra protein. Next, we're going to sprinkle on some raw papitas, fresh raspberries, and then a sprinkle of mixed seeds. Each bowl has a whopping 15 grams of protein.